All right, guys, Infamous Joel here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I am building automations for my clients so that they can run TikTok Shop affiliate content or Amazon affiliate content with AI influencers without lifting a finger. That's right, from beginning to end, the AI influencer will be promoting the product, selling the product. You never have to be on camera, and all you ever have to do is give a few commands into my system here, and it will produce promotional videos. I'm going to be using it myself in a future case study here in a little bit for my mastermind clients, my private clients. But I'm going to show you guys here on YouTube how this works, and in my free community as well. I'm going to show you exactly what we do here to make this whole thing work. So we're going to go over to a platform called N8N. Let me share the screen here. Oh, let me show my face too. All right, so this is a platform called N8N, and this is the automation. It looks like a monster, okay? But the easiest way to explain this is that we can break it into sections. Now, here's the thing. You do not have to know how to use this platform because I have a done-for-you system you can sign up for down below if you really want to get into this, and I can build this for you. But me and my team will build this for you, okay? So we'll install this and you'll never have to worry about it again. We'll also teach you how to build these things inside of the mastermind. So if we look at this in sections, the first section here is that we're going to upload a photo. Okay, so this photo, I'm going to walk you through exactly how we do that. But for me, I'm going to upload a photo of Crystal, my AI influencer, as you guys know, and a photo of the trending product or whatever it is that I'm trying to sell on TikTok Shop. Okay. So I'm going to take whatever trending product combined with Crystal and give a little command. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about here in a second. The next step is that it's going to take that image and make that the starting image of a video. For anybody who's ever done AI video before, you know that you need some kind of an image to start with VO3 and all these other things coming out. We need an image. So we actually use Nano Banana that everybody is talking about right now to start and create the first image in the video. So that's the next section. Okay, and then section number 2 here is that we can create multiple clips. The best part about this automation right here is that you can make it as long as you want. You can make it a freaking movie if you wanted to. Now it'll take forever, okay, but you could if you really wanted to. Now, generally right now, it's going to cost anywhere from 40 cents up to a few dollars, depending on how long and how complicated you make the video. I've been making the videos about 15 seconds long, and it's only been about 40 cents, okay? So super, super cheap, and at scale, you can test a lot of different content with your AI influencer, again, without ever having to be on camera, pushing a few buttons. This is the new age. This is the new way to do affiliate marketing. I promise you, okay? Now, last but not least, after everything's done, after it creates the scripts and the clips and all that good stuff, it will combine all of those ideas together. So we're talking the images, the videos, it'll finally finalize everything and make the entire videos. And then what I'm using for input and output is the app called Telegram. Okay, it's made by Twitter. I never used to use it before, but once I started doing these automations and stuff, I started using Telegram because I can, if you saw in one of the last videos, I can talk to it, I can put in commands in it, and if I connect it to these N8N automations, I can get the output back out. So I get the video finally out on, on the app. All right. So let me show you exactly how I did this step by step. Okay. So if I wanted to go ahead and promote something on the TikTok Shop as an affiliate, I found this website right here called Fastmoss. I almost said Fatmoss. Fastmoss, but I guess it's some kind of an aggregator. I've never heard of it until yesterday, okay? But it's some kind of an aggregator type platform that shows you what products are doing very well on TikTok right now so that you can sell them as an affiliate and make some money, okay? So I went here, and as you can see, I started searching a little bit, and I found a few things. Like I found this mop, okay? So the first thing that I did was I grabbed this picture, I saved it, I went over to, Google Slides, and all I did was combine a photo of Crystal and a photo of the product. Obviously, this is not the mop. I used it in a different picture, but I'll show you what I did. And all I did was then downloaded that picture, okay? And here it is. I'll just put it into my Telegram. Now, I'm not going to run this just yet, okay? But all you really do is hit execute workflow, or if this is just always on and active, you don't have to hit execute workflow. I was just testing a few things here. But if this is always on and active, then legitimately every time that you put a picture in here, with a little description. You can see what I did here. I put, have this woman using the mop in the image in her kitchen. She is promoting the mop for the TikTok shop, should be about 15 seconds long. Now we can see the actual output after this whole thing runs. After this whole thing runs, and it takes roughly 10 minutes or so for it to create the video, let's see what it created.
The handle is light but strong. And the mop heads stay super white even after cleaning up spills. Honestly makes cleaning way faster. I just rinse and spin and it's ready for more mess.
All right, so that was decent. You saw some of the glitches right there, like the picture stayed on the screen for some reason. And also there's a big downside to this automation where the speech gets a little twisted up. She was like, I forget what she said, like kitchen, but it sounded kind of weird. And also, if anyone knows Crystal and has seen this channel and seen how I use her before, that is not her voice. One of the downsides of VO3 is that you can't use a custom voice. So there's an extra step that I teach my inner clients. It just takes like 2 websites just to replace the voice if you want to have like a custom consistent voice that you can use with this. It doesn't take long at all, okay? All right, so the next time I found this other product on that website, and this is basically, let me back out here for a second. This is basically like a protein loaded coffee energy drink, something like that. All right, so I found this picture here and again, downloaded it, right? So I downloaded it. I took it on over to Telegram again, and I gave it this prompt that said, have the woman in the image drinking the coffee in the image. She's sitting in the car promoting the protein-infused coffee for TikTok shop. The video should be about 15 seconds long. That's it. I don't have to be a genius. I don't have to be super smart. That's all I told it to do. The only little extra info that I gave it was that it is a protein-infused coffee, because I thought, okay, so as the AI thinks this through on how to promote it, that could be something really special to talk about rather than just she's drinking coffee, right? So let's see what video it came out with.
Okay, so I grabbed this protein-infused coffee from TikTok shop. Tastes way better than I thought, and it packed with protein. Literally gives me my caffeine fix and extra protein in the morning. Saves me from making breakfast some days.
So again, some funny glitches right there. Number one, she has a straw in the drink, but she chose to sip it anyway. And also she kept talking while she was sipping on the drink. So some things that we can easily clean up with a few more tests and things like that. But you can see the kind of content that it produces looks completely natural to TikTok. Looks like somebody just set up a camera in their car and it looks like a real person, right? So, you know, you can go ahead and promote anything. Last but not least, this picture right here. Now, this is custom. I didn't find this on the TikTok shop because this is actually one of my fiance's products that she made for her own crafting store. She has a craft store on Etsy. She also does some TikTok shop. So I said, okay, just send me a picture of one of your products and let's see Crystal promote this product. Now, this is a pen, the custom pen with glitter that she made specifically as a gift for teachers. So I said, okay, so this is what I'll have Crystal do. Have the woman in the classroom being a teacher. She is talking about how wonderful these pens are that were a gift from her students. This is a promotion for TikTok shop. The video should be 15 seconds long. So let's see what it came out with.
My students got me these pens from TikTok shop. How cute is the glitter and my name on them? So thoughtful.
They actually write super smooth, and the glitter makes grading papers way more fun. Honestly, I love them.
So again, some glitches with the speech right there. I think she said poopers instead of papers, but still something that can easily be cleaned up with a few more tests and just running through and doing some different prompting and stuff like that. But you can see what this automation produces. So what this literally means is that this is your entire business, okay? Finding products, adding the pictures, telling the AI what to say, what to do. If you're somebody like me, you can write really detailed scripts if you're a really good marketer and things like that. And you can have an entire TikTok channel or an AI influencer type of business where you're just promoting products through your influencer, okay? TikTok shop is blowing up. Everyone is saying that it's like the easiest money on earth to make, and everyone that is doing it is mostly they're recording videos themselves. So if you're a busy professional, I know that's not something you want to do. So what I'm doing with my private clients, like I said, is we're installing automations like this, and we're having AI do, I won't say all the work, but about 90% of the work, right? With this, you can legitimately pump out 5 to 10 videos a day, maybe more if you have some free time, right? And just promote, and you're making a few dollars here, a few dollars there, and it starts to add up. I'm actually going to run this case study, and I'm going to prove that in a week's time with a completely new channel, a completely new TikTok account, I will make at least like $200 or so in the first week. I'm just lowballing. Maybe I'll make more, maybe I'll make a little less, but I'll start to make some money to show you guys how easy this can be. And at 40 cents per video, this is a very high ROI business model. You don't have to spend money on ads. You don't have to do anything special. So again, just go ahead and join the free community down below. There is actually an N8N beginner course that I have in the free community, so you can learn how to build these on your own. And there is also a resource on where to get over 5,000 workflows for free, okay? And if you want me to install and build these automations into your life and your business so that you can just set it and forget it, book a call down below and I'll do it for you, okay? Or somebody from my team will do it for you. We set the whole thing up, and we have weekly master classes, and we talk about how to automate things. It's freaking awesome in the Automated Affiliate Mastermind, all right? So that being said, this automation is freaking awesome. It's a game changer, and this is just the beginning. Keep in mind that this is the worst that AI videos are ever going to look at this moment right now. If you thought that looked like a real person, just imagine how real it's going to look in about 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. Get in front of this, get ahead of this now. You will not be able to compete if you're still doing stuff on video yourself, okay? Because people who have deep pockets and people like me who build automations can test content so fast, so often. It's just going to be a big stock market on the internet in a little bit, okay? So get in front of it, get on it, and start producing through automation instead of manual content, all right? I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.